I'm pretty sure that most of you, if not all, have never heard of today's project because it's a microcap coin. This project is solving a problem that is costing the DeFi industry hundreds of millions of dollars every year. So if it gets mass adoption, we will likely be looking at the next 1000 times return on investment coin. This coin is called Lossless, and today I'll be analyzing it. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is King, your host, and today's video is for pure educational purposes. Please make sure to do your own research at this project or any other project I analyze, because this is only my own opinion. If it's your first time in the channel and you happen to like my content, please consider subscribing and smashing the like button because it really helps. If you're struggling with trading and you need some help, please consider joining my Telegram channel where I provide exclusive trading setups that will help you maximize your profits in the crypto market, and I'll leave the link for you in the description box below. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates. And now, let's analyze today's project. Just before I started recording this video, Lossless was priced at 22 cents, and now a couple of hours later it's at 25 cents, which means that this video is coming at the right time. The rank of Lossless as we speak is at 1165 with a circulating supply of 22 million coins. Now if we compare this one to other adopted coins with similar circulating supply, we will see that if adopted, this coin has a big window for growth and massive potential price-wise. Now, as per CoinMarketCap, Lossless is a hack mitigation tool for token creators. Its protocol freezes fraudulent transactions based on a set of fraud identification parameters and returns stolen funds back to the owner's account. Now, if you have been involved in the DeFi space, you probably came across successful hack attempts that happen every other day on DeFi platforms. These hacks are costing the industry hundreds of millions of dollars, and Lossless is here to solve this problem, which is a great and unique idea. Now I found this website which documented all the hacks that happened to DeFi platforms since they started. And it says, as of today, there are a total of 63 DeFi exploits that have occurred, with lost funds amounting to a total of approximately $1.2 billion, which is a massive amount. And if we go down through the timeline, we'll see how these hacks are very expensive and costing the industry so much money. This is, for example, DAO Maker on September 4th, $4 million, Cream Finance, $90 million, $7 million, $268 million on Poly Network, Punk Protocol, 3,950,000, and the list goes on and goes on. So with the solution that Lossless is offering, I'm sure you see what the point is and how beneficial their product would be for DeFi industry. Now, if this sees mass adoption from DeFi platforms and token creators, the sky will be the limit for this project, and it will have a great future in the coming years, especially with the increased importance of DeFi industry and the mass adoption we are seeing. So let's move and see at what exchanges Lossless is being traded as of now. As you can see here, it's listed on a number of exchanges like KuCoin, Gate.io, Uniswap, and so on. So the exchanges are not that much, and the volume is very small too. But yesterday I came across something very important on Twitter, where Lossless have proven their effectiveness by helping Cream Finance retrieve stolen funds. And here you see, this was tweeted 2 days ago. Lossless helped to recover $16.7 million from the exploit on Cream Finance. This is our first recovery of such scale. And here is the tweet that Cream Finance did. They said, "We would like to thank our community for the great support, with special thanks to Lossless DeFi, who have earned the 50% bounty. Thanks to them, we were able to track down and identify the hacker who we immediately engaged." Now this is very important because in addition to proven Lossless use case, it has secured them a decent chunk of money from the bounty that was offered, which will likely help them expand further and maybe secure few more expensive exchange listings. And now let's move to the chart of Lossless and see what it's hiding for us. Now, because it's a new coin, we don't have a lot of history to look at. However, we have one structure that could tell us about what's coming next. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I always classify the structures in the market into two types. The first one is a 3-wave structure, and the second one is a 5-wave structure. Now, it's not possible yet to tell if this is going to be a 3 or a 5-wave structure. But what I know for sure is that we have the first two pieces of either one of these two structures. So we have the initial impulse, which is this one, and we have the first correction, which is this piece over here. Now, this structure started at this yellow line over here, which was at the 20th of July, where it had its initial or first impulse, and then it started correcting itself. I do believe that this correction is complete, and now we're in the middle of the third wave of the structure, because we have a 3-wave correction over here, where the first wave is this one, and this was the center of it, and this was the third one, in addition to having formed this support area over here, where the price have been rejected 3 times already. Now, earlier I was considering another scenario where this scenario says that the correction is not yet complete and we still have one more wave in order for us to complete it, and at that time this scenario would look like 1, 2, and wave number 3 would go over here. But this scenario is not likely, because if we break down this support area over here, then the structure is completely invalid, but that doesn't seem the case. In addition to that, if this happens, then this will be extended till the end of this year, and that's not likely because the cycle is turning into a bullish cycle right now and everything's becoming impulsive. So the first scenario is exactly what we have at this point, where we have this as the initial impulse of the structure, and this was the correction, and now we're in the middle of the third impulse. Now, technically speaking, the least we can guarantee as of this point is that the price is going to continue going up further and break this top in order to complete this structure. However, because of what I explained to you earlier and the importance of this project and the potential that it could have, if it sees mass adoption, the sky is going to be the limit, and we're going to see a massive increase in price. And if that happens, this will be one of the few good long-term holds that you could have on your portfolio. And this is all I have from the technical side. Please tell me, what do you think? Do you like this project, or do you think it could have a chance to grow further in the future? Or do you have any other thoughts? Let me know in the comments below, and tell me if there is any other hidden gem that you think is going to have an explosive potential, so that I can look at it and analyze it in one of my next videos. This was it for today. If you're still listening, thank you so much for sticking till the end, and until next video, stay safe and see you later.